The fields are looking so green and full. Yes, the monsoon has been generous this year.
Good morning, ladies. My charcoal is ready.
Smells wonderful. Let's add this. Perfect. Here is your tea, dear. Oh, thank you, Mother. It smells wonderful.
The porridge is perfect.
Yes, it warms the soul. Have some tea, my dears. I think we should make curried fish. Oh, that's perfect. Do we have everything? Yes, I have the ingredients here. Wonderful. Let's start soon. The garden was particularly generous today, wasn't it? Indeed, my dear. We'll eat well tonight. I can't wait. The rice is nearly ready, Mama. Smells wonderful, dear. Just finishing the mangoes for the salad. The rain is getting heavier. Yes, but we are safe and warm. Warm. It's a good night for a hot meal. I remember learning this from my mother. Now you will teach it to your daughters. This rice is almost ready. These herbs are fragrant. They will be perfect. I think we have enough mangoes now.
Almost there, Sokha.
Just need a bit more airflow, Dad.
和你弄推弄一动动。
I think it's ready, Dad.
Looks perfect, honey.
Smells wonderful, dear.
Hello, welcome. The chicken is almost ready.
What a lovely aroma. We're here to help.
Come in, come in. So glad you are here.
Almost there.
It's looking good.
Such a beautiful mat.
This chicken is delicious. And the mango salad is so fresh. Remember when we used to eat this every weekend? It's good to be together again.
The weather will be good for fishing tomorrow.
Yes, the rain holds.
And our nets will be ready. Dear Journal, another peaceful evening.